Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking saved credentials tied to your Google account. This is the safest path. Sign into passwords. Google, Com or Chrome's password manager on a trusted computer or phone. Once signed in, search for app names, sites, or Wi-Fi entries that match the Android device. If the password is stored, you can view or copy it after confirming your account with two-step verification. Make sure to use a secure network and don't share verification codes. These steps recover credentials you legitimately own. Next, pursue official recovery workflows. Use Google's account recovery if you can't sign in, follow prompts to verify identity and restore access. Open Find My Device to confirm the device's account and options. It won't reveal passwords, but helps secure the phone. Also, check any third-party password manager apps you use on other devices because they often sync credentials. Once done, make sure recovery, email, and phone are current and enable two-step verification to prevent future lock. If recovery fails, a factory reset is the final technical option. Remember, it erases all local data. Before resetting, back up any accessible files and remove linked accounts where possible. If you're unsure, contact the device manufacturer, your carrier, or an authorized service center. They can guide proof-based recovery or servicing without bypassing security. Once reset, sign back in with your legitimate Google account to restore backups. Troubleshooting tip: if you see account verification loops, verify your recovery email and wait an hour before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.